Today, I'll show you how to get HostGator with a massive discount, plus a free domain, free SSL certificate, and WordPress pre-installed. First, click the link in the description below. This takes you straight to HostGator's discounted page. And here's the best part. The coupon applies automatically, so you don't need to hunt for codes. It's already done for you. Once you're on the page, click Get Started. You'll see 4 plans to choose from. All 4 give you exact the same inclusions: unmetered bandwidth, domain registration, SSL certificate, WordPress migration, and unmetered storage. Hatchling plan: 24/7 chat support, great starter option at an amazing price point. Baby plan: upgrades you to phone support. For $1 more, absolutely worth it. Business plan: active malware removal, not just scanning, and daily automatic backups. If you're running a business or handling customers, these features really shine. Pro plan: priority support with faster response times, enhanced CPU allocation, and maximum performance optimization. Most people choose Baby for phone support, but business is best if you need maximum power, priority support, all the premium features unlocked. Next, HostGator asks if you want to register a new domain or use an existing one. You can register by typing your new preferred domain and click Search for Domain, and HostGator gives you 1 free for the first year. Here's how to check out. First, pick your billing cycle. You can choose monthly, 1 year, or 3 years. Here's the thing. The longer you commit, the bigger the discount. I recommend at least 1 year to lock in the best rate. Next, choose your data center location. Pick the one closest to your main audience for faster load times. Speed matters. You'll also see optional add-ons like SiteLock security, CodeGuard backup, and domain privacy. Here's the truth. These aren't required. The free SSL certificate is already included. So, if you're not satisfied within 30 days, you can get a full refund on your hosting fees. After clicking Continue to Checkout, enter your billing info. Once you've reviewed everything, click Submit Payment. You'll get a confirmation email right away with your login details. That's it. Your HostGator account is active. Log into your customer portal, and you'll see WordPress is already installed and ready to go. Just like that. Your site's ready to customize, your SSL is active, and you're protected by the 30-day guarantee. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a portfolio site, this gets you up and running without the tech headaches. Scan the QR code, or click the link in the description below to claim your discount and get started. Thanks for watching. Now go build something great.